Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to organize your DAX measure. The first question is why you need to organize your DAX measure. The thing is, if you will not organize your DAX measure, then it will look so messy. And when it look messy, it is hard to use them. And the second thing is to create any kind of report or dashboard, it takes weeks. And within some days, you forget that you have created this DAX measure or those DAX measure if those DAX measure are spread across different tables. But if your DAX measures are organized in one place, then it is easy to use them and even to reuse them. Let's see how to organize DAX measure inside Power BI. Okay, let's jump on the screen and I will show you how to organize your DAX measure. Firstly, you need to create a container where you are going to put all your DAX measure. So I will click here, enter data, and I'm going to create a table where I'm going to move all of my DAX measure. So I'm going to put here double asterisk and measures. You just need to type here one asterisk as I already have one asterisk and measure. So you do not need to write here double asterisk. So I will click to load, and after clicking to load, it will take some second to create another table. But for you, this one is enough. Star asterisk and measures. So I need to go to model view. If you want to create a different folder in this particular container, basically a table, then what you have to do, for example, I'm going to create here a folder here. Like, firstly, I'm going to select measures here, expense, income, revenue, and I will write here the name of the folder. I will write here basic measures. Okay, basic is good. And for this one, this one, I will write here time intelligence. Now we have here two folder, basic, time intelligence. And now if you want to see time intelligence function, just click here and you will have all time intelligence. And if you want to see basics measure, just click here, and like this you could organize all these DAX measure. Now I'm going to create here a folder by the name. Okay, I will write here measure. Now I have here a folder measures that have this measure. I even could place this particular measure which is not in the folder, and I'm going to move this measure inside a folder. Now, definitely you have seen this problem while you creating a report. If you are organizing your DAX measure, like I could not move this particular DAX measure from this folder to this folder. If you, I could not move here. Like if I try to move in this basic, it will create another folder in this container, in this table. But I want to move these functions, these DAX function in this folder. How to achieve that goal? To achieve that goal, what you have to do, like by mistake you have already created different measures in different table, and you want to move these DAX measure in another container, and for that you have only just one way. For that you have to click to those DAX measure and that measure that you want to move. You have to click here, you have to go to this home table measures and just click to this star measures, and when you see this, it will go here, and you could remove this folder. Or if you want to move this under basics, you could write here basic. It will go to this basic folder. And if you want to move this DAX measure in another folder but in the same container, you could drag and drop. Now it is in the time intelligence, and if you want to move this particular DAX measure in time intelligence, just drag and drop. But if you want to move across different table or I will say container, then you have to use this particular interface. Just select that particular DAX measure and click here home table measures and select the container where you want to move. If I click to measure, this will go to in this folder measure star asterisk measures there. And if you want to move this in different folder, just drag and drop. That's it in this video. We will meet in next video with some new tips and tricks. Follow me for more. Thank you.